everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my hair salon. So if you haven't seen my previous video, I tried dyeing my hair with the Claro Frost and Tip kit, I think it was called. That's definitely on my channel, which did work quite well. But here we are again, still in lockdown, and I am desperate. Okay, so this is what we're working with. This is the regrowth. We want to get rid of the red. I don't really have a plan, to be honest. I picked up this today. Now, it wasn't super simple to find. I did have to go to 2 stores, unfortunately, but that's because it's half price at the moment. So this usually retails for $20, but being half price it was 10. So this is the one that I'm using, the NORDIC Blonde Streaking Kit. So on the back it says, you know, these are the levels that it can go to basically, and it says can lift up to 6 levels, if that makes sense to you. So the thing that caught my attention, I think, and yes, I can see it, it came with this little brush. Now, last time we used the streaking kit, I'm not saying I didn't like it, but this time we're gonna try a little bit of freehand. So in front of me we have the kit. In case I feel like I need foil, I have foil. This is like such a professional salon. I don't have any clips, so I've literally got 2 bobby pins, a scrunchie, and a brush, just in case I need that. Oh my god, what is that? They have this little weird moldy, where did it go? Moldy looking thing there. I can't show you. I don't know what that is, but that's a bit weird. So if you had seen my last video, my salon is quite a stressful place, I would say. I definitely freak out a lot doing this, just because I do it, one, at the worst times, because it is when I have things for work. So yeah, again, I have another work video, and I just feel like I just don't want this top bit. I'm not like bothered by the bottom, but we're still gonna put some things through. So this comes with, I assume these are gloves, the little brush, the color after treatment, this says. This is the lightening powder. The developing lotion. I assume this is the cap, a little container to mix it in, and a stick as well. So with this one, it says to leave up until 45 minutes. So about the same as the other. So let's start mixing this. What it says, yeah, we're not gonna use, oh, this says for bolder highlights. We don't want bold highlights, but I don't know. I feel like stressed already. I totally get that this type of thing, it's probably better to have a plan, which I definitely don't. I'm just gonna put some streaks randomly through my hair, I think, and the focus on the top. So I don't know, we're just freehanding it. I actually do like, sorry if this is really loud, I actually did like how the cap turned out. I just don't want to do that again myself. Okay, so the mirror, and I guess, God, I already feel like what a disaster. I honestly do. I think this isn't gonna work. Hairdressers, are you cringing? Oh no. Is that gonna work? I just feel like it's not enough that's gonna work. So this is basically the gist that we're gonna do around, if that makes sense. So I'm going to continue. My thought process is I'm not really phased if like the layers sort of touch each other, which is probably not a good thing, but yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. So I will check back in with you guys when I have done a little bit more. So I believe that I've successfully like covered a lot of the bits that I want to. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the cap is gonna be better just because I just feel like it's going to look a lot less like blocky streaks, where this, I honestly feel like it's gonna be big chunks. So I'm gonna try and do the back. This is why I feel like it's probably best to have someone else do this, because realistically, okay. I have an issue. I'm seeing so much patchiness here. So we do need to keep it uniform, I would say. Shit. Oh no. So it's kind of my worst nightmare. It's definitely lightening, but oh no. This is not really what I wanted. I don't mind the patchiness. Well, I don't think I'm gonna mind the patchiness through my hair, but I definitely am not gonna vibe with it on top. I'm gonna leave this on for 40 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 40 minutes.
40 minutes, counting down.
But I'm also gonna keep trying to get some lightness through my hair. The top is worrying me. That side is really worrying me. I actually do have fun like doing these videos. It's very stressful, I'm not gonna lie. But I couldn't find a tutorial. Oh my god, in the camera, this section is so patchy. Oh no, that's making me nervous. But I do actually have fun testing products, I'm not gonna lie. And for this one, I couldn't find anything on YouTube, so I thought for half price I would definitely give it a go. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit. I'll check back in with you. I'll let you like see what it looks like. before we wash it out. Okay, so I have put it all on. I just feel like combing it through, I don't know why. I feel like the top is looking patchy, but I'm actually so surprised at how much it's lightening. There's just some blue in my hair. Like, it looks like the dye has stained that section blue. You see that? Like here? Now I know technique-wise, this is not what they suggest, so if it does go wrong again, I completely get that it is on me more than them. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave this for, hey Siri, how long left on the timer?
40-minute timer with about 18 minutes to go.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave this for 18 minutes and then I'll check back in with you. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes. I've just, this patchiness is scaring me. I've just checked a piece of hair by just taking the dye off it, and it's actually looking super white. You might be able to see that, but my issue is it's looking super patchy, so I don't know what's gonna happen. This does say don't exceed 45 minutes, but yeah, I think this is pretty ready, so I don't want to risk it with leaving it any longer. So yeah, thought I would show you. Now I'll go wash it out and then we will check back in very shortly. Okay guys, so we're back. Now, I think it's bad. I actually think that we've made a mistake and it's really bad. I'm putting some rosehip oil on my face just to delay the process. So basically, you wash it out, you shampoo your hair, and then you use the after care treatment, I think they call it. Now, the process for that is a little annoying. Usually you just like put on the conditioner while you're in the shower, but this one is you have to put it on towel dry hair. So you definitely need to prepare to get out of the shower and wait 3 minutes freezing while you've got that in your hair. Now when I washed it out, my hair felt quite stringy still, so I put conditioner after that just because I felt like it needed more moisture. Now as I was in the shower, I was combing my hair through, and to be honest, there was quite a bit of breakage, so just be aware of that. It does say that it has up to 80% less hair breakage, so I think they try and have like a more natural product, but just for me it didn't really stop my hair breaking. It was quite a bit. Okay, so from what I saw, I think it's super patchy, and I think I have like a ring of basically yellowy orange hair around my forehead, and I am stressed. I am stressed, okay? Oh, it's so... Oh no. I know it's different when it's wet. I do get that, but I'm worried. I don't want to be that person with the bad bleached hair. Yeah, how you can just tell when some people have done it themselves. Oh, this side. Oh God, guys. The color is not awful, but I think to try and like, it's actually, oh, it's pretty patchy by the looks of it. So what I think my plan is, because I did sneakily think that this was gonna happen, I think I'm gonna try and change where my part is and see if that like makes a difference. So right now I am quite concerned, but I will check back in with you once it's dry and give the update. Okay, so I've dried my hair and gone over it quickly with a straightener. It's not that bad. it definitely has some areas where a little bit of improvement would be lovely. This piece here is definitely quite patchy and a little bit yellow, so I wish I did that. I mean, that looks so bad on camera. It's not that bad in person, but if I literally just like cover my face like that and cover this, I did change where my part was, which definitely I feel like helped. Yeah, not a tiny bit. There's definitely some patchiness on the top, but I feel like on camera it is coming out quite worse than it looks in person. But this is the top. Now, I haven't actually seen the back or the sides myself, so enjoy. I won't see this until I like edit, so it's actually not a bad color. So if you're gonna use this, I feel like maybe a better idea might be to use the cap. I feel like the cap on the other one was such a foolproof plan, basically, where the freehand, of course, you're gonna get this patchiness. And you know, when I washed it out, I saw it, so I knew it was coming. But like 9 or 10 weeks in lockdown now, what am I meant to do? So I've taken matters into my own hands, and I'm sort of starting to like it a lot more. I don't know. I feel like it just needs a little bit more refinement. Like next time, maybe focus underneath that top layer a little bit more. But I don't know. Ooh. I mean, if you pull it up, it does look bad there. But then like some bits just really don't. So would I recommend this? I'm gonna say, although it's patchy, I do recommend it because the color that this is actually really, really good. It was honestly just my application process that I made it up realistically. I didn't go by what they've said at all, so the patchiness is all on me, so I will definitely take that. But yeah, color-wise, I'm actually really happy with it. It's not orange at all, which is always my biggest fear. Like yellow or orange blonde is exactly what I don't want. So yeah, I'm like pleasantly surprised in a way, but patchiness I don't love. But again, I'm saying it so many times, I feel like that was my fault. But for $10 to fix the shocking regrowth that I had before, I think it's worth it, definitely. But it is half price at the moment, that's the only thing. So by the time this video goes up, it won't be half price, I'm so sorry. But definitely check Coles or Woolworths because obviously they do have sales all the time. But let me know what you think. Also, I wanted to put it out there and just remind you, if you're bleaching or dyeing your hair, probably, I can't stop playing with it. Every time I dye my hair, it's like, it is really soft. Definitely wear old clothes because I had some really nice gym pants on and I realized when I stood up I actually had a big puddle, what would you call it? A big piece of bleach on it. So I ruined a pair of tights and I ruined a t-shirt, but yeah, what do you do? So I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me know if you've used this product or what you are doing with your hair. If you're in lockdown, I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.